My name is Michael Martellette and I'm studying plastering at Access Training. I thought it was a good time in my life to try and start getting a trade under me, because, I've been a labourer, but I want to, do something that can really bring the money, and I want to have a skill, that I can really take with me, and I think this place is the place for me to get that, really. Yeah, well, I've been studying rendering, screeding, dry lining, and skimming the actual plastering. It was really intense, but in such a positive way. I've learned so much. I mean, I've been taught how to do calculations. In my math GCSE, I was ungraded, but he's taught me how to, calculate square meters, cubic meters. I can do that now. I couldn't have done that before, and because I've been here, I can do all those things now, which is really cool. I didn't actually know there would be any mathematics involved. I just thought, just lay it on, don't you? But obviously, it teaches you the real deal. You learn things like calculating your materials, how many bags of sand and everything like that you need, And it was really daunting at first, but I can actually do that now. So yeah, it's really good. And I've been among plasterers before, so I thought, well, I just had a look on the internet, and I had a look at Access Training. And immediately they got back to me, and I was just like, they told me everything about the course. I had a look on the website, and the website was quite helpful actually. And I don't know, they were so cooperative, I couldn't have said no. I mean, they said it was going to be hard work, but they said the units that I was going to be learning and the weeks and what we're going to be going through. Carl is an amazing tutor. Carl, he's one of those people where he will give you constructive criticism, but he wouldn't be harsh about it. And I think that's what, because I'm slightly a little bit underconfident, but he would kind of, give you that nudge to be like, no, you can do it, you can. And he will make sure that I do it. And the thing is, he breaks everything down, into small chunks and sections. Because it is with plastering, it is very overwhelming, but he breaks everything down, and he constantly looks over your shoulder to make sure you're doing it correctly. And honestly, he's incredible. Really amazing teacher. Well, actually, I'm going to be doing some fiberglass roofing and plastering with my dad. Okay. So I'm going to be going down to Plymouth, and then further my training a bit more. Well, not training, but my skills, should say. And then hopefully go from there. But that's where I am at the moment. If they're wanting to turn their lives around like I have, then definitely, I'd say 100%. I mean, the tutors are friendly. You learn so much. I mean, you have to work hard, but it is definitely worth it.